Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Many medical device manufacturers believe that securing FDA approval in the United States is the golden ticket to global markets. While it is a significant achievement that demonstrates a high standard of safety and efficacy, it is not a direct passport for market entry into the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Today, we will explore the specific hoops manufacturers must jump through to obtain a medical device market authorization, or MDMA, from the Saudi Food and Drug Authority, the SFDA, even with an existing FDA approval. A critical point to understand is the policy shift that occurred in Saudi Arabia. Before January 2022, manufacturers could often leverage a more streamlined registration process known as the GHTF route, which relied on prior approval from a founding member country of the Global Harmonization Task Force, such as the United States. However, this path has been discontinued. All medical devices, regardless of their approval status in other countries, must now undergo a full technical file assessment, or TFA. The first and most crucial step for any foreign manufacturer is to appoint a Saudi Arabia Authorized Representative, or AR. You cannot submit an application without one. This AR must be a locally licensed entity and will act as your official liaison with the SFDA, manage your application submission, and handle post-market responsibilities. Choosing between a distributor and an independent third-party AR is a significant strategic decision, as the AR holds substantial control over your device registration. Next is the technical file itself. While your FDA submission documents are a strong foundation, they cannot be submitted as is. The SFDA requires a comprehensive technical dossier prepared specifically to their requirements, as detailed in their guidance documents. This file must be submitted in English through the SFDA's electronic portal known as GOD. Key components include detailed device information, labeling, design and manufacturing data, a benefit-risk analysis, and robust product verification and validation evidence, such as clinical evaluation reports and biocompatibility testing. You must also include a detailed post-market surveillance plan. Furthermore, your device's classification under the FDA system does not automatically transfer. You must classify your device according to the SFDA's four-tiered risk-based system, Class A, B, C, or D, which is more closely harmonized with the European framework. Finally, while the SFDA's official review timeline is 35 working days, manufacturers should realistically plan for a 3 to 6 month process, which can be longer if the authority requests additional information. A successful MDMA is typically valid for 3 years. Navigating this landscape requires careful planning and local expertise. If your company needs help with global market access, consider reaching out to the experts at Pure Global. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.